Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 5 with the cracked display, and half of the display is not there. So let's go fix it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to know the damage of this display, and it's got a crack on the side of it. And as Google Pixel's screen replacement goes, you go directly to the damaged display. So we're going to remove the display right away. We're not going to remove some back cover or other shenanigans like that. Google Pixels are simple smartphones to fix when it comes to replacing the display. We're going to take our time here, and the display adhesive is not that strong, so maybe it has been fixed before. And we're going to remove the clip for the display connector and remove the display connector. This is our replacement display. It's got the fingerprint scanner at the back, so it's not on the underside of this display, so it's just plug and play. And turn this on, it plays. Also gonna check if it's charging. It's already booting up. Dialer. Touchscreen is also working. We're not gonna go inside the smartphone. We'll just detach it for now. So the next thing we'll do is to prep the housing for the installation of the new display. So you can see there's some rubber grommets for the front camera, so we'll clean it up. It's not really that dirty, but the contact points for the new adhesive on the side of the housing will be cleaned off. And then we're gonna put our own liquid adhesive, just the right amount, and go around the side of the display. So if you are interested in fixing your own Google Pixel 5, it's relatively easy. You could just do it on your own actually. But if you don't have the tools, the knowledge, or the interest to perform these types of repairs, you can go to your local repair service technician. They'll source the parts for you, or you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We source the parts for you and perform the replacement operation for you, all for reasonable prices. We're gonna clean it up and do some final testing. Turn this on. Right there. It's like magic. It's like you just bought the smartphone. I'm gonna clean off some grime on the display so we can install a free tempered glass. I'm gonna align it. Slowly push it down. This is a trick. Just let the tempered glass hug the display. So that's it. It's a quick one. See you again next time, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.